Hey guys, welcome back for another Z-Pult unboxing, and we're gonna take a look at a mechanical keyboard for today. This is the GTI Betop KT1. So this is a wireless mechanical keyboard for around 2,200 pesos, or around $40. Very cheap for a mechanical keyboard. Of course, you do get this is a 60% keyboard. Of course, you do get Chinese stuff at the back. Of course, I cannot understand any of it. And of course, you do get that kind of a different packaging altogether, recycled stuff. And of course, opening it up. And what's really cool here, of course, is this is a wireless keyboard for around $40. So that's a really nice price for a mechanical keyboard. And that's sometimes what you want. You want, of course, the greatest value. But, will this be something really cool? Let's check it out. Of course, inside, you do get the keyboard right away, which we're going to talk about in a few. And inside also you do get, of course, your charger. And actually it's an USB-C charger. That is really interesting for that kind of price range. And of course you do get your keycap puller, which is nice. And you actually do get also an organizer here inside, which is really cool. And of course this is what you get. Of course this is the typical keyboard that you're getting, of course, with the GTI logo at the top. This is the keycaps. Of course, I already changed the keycaps in mine. We're gonna take a look at that in a few. But that is what you get inside the box, and it also has a stand actually for the Betop KT1. And we're gonna take a look at the keyboard now. Keyboard actually is pretty cool. Of course, it is a 60% keyboard, so fitting it in the camera, so you guys can see, is very small. It's almost the same size as your Apple keyboard, or even almost the same size as your Apple keyboard. And of course, this is what you get. You are getting pretty nice plastic at the back, a rubber also, so it stays in place nicely. As you guys can see, it won't move at all. And you do have a slight elevation, as you guys can see. So no need for a stand at the back, so I didn't find that I need it. And also this is in red switch. Opening it up, of course, you will get your RGB gloriousness. Look at that, guys. So that's why I changed the keycaps in this, because it's very glorious when you put really nice see-through keycaps in here, because it is a very bright overall in terms of the LED. This is scale switches, using scale switches, so not so bad for 2,200 pesos, for around $40 scale switches. And this is the sound test of the Betop K1. Right, what's cool here also is this has mouse input at the side, so you can actually use this for your mobile phone, a mouse with your mobile phone, which is nice. We have an option to go keyboard and mouse, and that is a really nice competitive advantage for you for some games who does support mouse in general. So that is the Betop K1. Really cool product. I'm happy with the purchase. Very worth it for what you're paying for. Really looks super duper cool for me. Definitely worth it, because this is a rechargeable battery also, so that is super duper nice value for something that's only remember, this is only $40, so really nice value. That is the Betop KT1. If you learned something, of course, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. I'm gonna link this down in the comments and the description below for you guys if you want to get one. Super duper worth it. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.